Can you say what caused this, nurse?
Well, based on what the doctor said, it seems to be stress related and his cholesterol level is very high.
Who's taking care of him?
That will be Dr. Maxine Grant.
Oh, good. I know her. Is she here today?
She was here, but she left.
When can he go home?
Well, Doc didn't say. I think there's another issue that she's dealing with.
What's that?
He seems to be hallucinating.
What?
That's when you're seeing, hearing, and feeling something that's not
Nurse, I know what hallucinating means. What I want to know is it visual, auditory, or tactile?
Well, it seems to be visual and auditory.
What or who does he say he's seeing or hearing?
His wife, your mother.
Yeah, bless my general.
Bless. And them cheese stick. Flavored water.
Respect, yeah?
Thanks.
Yeah. Back to you now, Tony. Oh, you have this talent and I just don't know about it.
Cause when we did the drugs, it broke my vibe. Him say me can't make money after driving.
You know, say you can frame them and sell them for real. No, man. So how this?
It's just a face from a scene in a magazine.
Mine is somebody you like, you know.
Who, him? What's him, man?
So how you just decide to draw him, so? This bad still, but you have a rocket head.
And that's why I'm drawing him, cause him head look like a rocket tree. I just saw art though. It inspired me.
So me not inspire me?
Yes, baby, you do.
So how you not draw me?
Because you inspire me in a different way.
Okay. So which way that?
You inspire me to start drawing.
He's just tired and needs some rest. That's one of the things that can contribute to hallucinations.
Yes, we do understand that, but we just need to keep him here a little bit longer to see if these things will run deeper.
Deeper? What do you mean?
Well, Doc wanted to run some tests to find out if, you know.
What? If he's mad? If he's having mental issues?
Doc just wanted to make sure. I am sure there's nothing to worry about.